Hey everyone, Kevin Winkoff, product manager here at Dakota, and today we are super excited to announce the launch of our new upload a list feature. So whether you plan on going to a conference, attending a webinar, you want to see all of your LinkedIn connections and how they stack up with the data we have in Dakota Marketplace, you can now do that nearly instantly. So when you log into Dakota Marketplace, on the top right hand side, you will see a new button called Upload a List. When you click that, you could select a match type. So do you want a contact match list or an account match list? You also are able to create a title for this list. So for this example, we will do the 2026 AIMSy conference attendees. And then you're able to either drag or drop or browse files. One thing to note, it has to be a CSV, XLSX, or an XLS file. For this example, I will just drag and drop as I have it ready to go. After we uploaded the file, you're able to set the header row. So this is going to be very important for the next step when we're mapping columns. We've automatically set it. So the first row that contains the most amount of columns of data is going to be what we're going to automatically choose. You're fully capable to customize that and edit which column or which row rather you'd rather use. So after all that is set and ready to go, we just click map columns. And as you can see here, it automatically filled in through our matching the correct columns. You could change this if you've noticed something's wrong. And then after that, you just got to click process and match. As you can see here, it's pending as the system is matching all the correct contacts and accounts. You click refresh, it is ready to go. As you can see right off the bat, there's 180 matched, 81 low confidence, and 20 unmatched out of the 281 total. So as you can see here on the left-hand side, this is going to be the input. So every account and contact that was from the original document. On the right-hand side will be the matched records. So the contacts along with their emails, titles, phone number, company name. And if you slide all the way to the right, you'll see the match status. So the match status will be matched, low confidence, or unmatched. The confidence score will be a rating from 0 through 100. And then you're able to view the record straight from this platform. If we make our way over to the low confidence section, so same format on the low confidence and unmatched to the match sections, input on the left-hand side, matched on the right-hand side. There might be a few more blanks on this page because we will have the matched company name, but we won't have that contact in the platform. Still very worth it to look through this grouping. There might be a misspelling of the name. There might be a different way they spelled their title, email, little stuff like that. Definitely worth to look through and even view the record to just double check. As for the unmatched, we won't have that contact or account name. Let's take it one step further. If you want to take this and export it, you could click this button right here, export to Excel or CSV, and you could share it with your team. You could use it for yourself to enrich your own CRM and so on. We're super excited about this. We are going to continue to work and develop this and see a phase 2 coming soon. Can't wait to hear the feedback and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.